This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Ruth Wilson. Spectacular ocean view of port entrance. This reverse floor plan has easy cement ramp path and views galore. A lovely garden area for private moments. Furniture included except refrigerator, black couch in family room, lamps in master, TV and components and washer/dryer. Fenced front yard for security of RV or boats. This 3-bed/2-half bath home is a must for a vacation rental or permanent residence. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Wilson at 541-469-2143.